Knuckles, how did he get $200,000? I went gambling. I bet $300. I bet 500. Now pay up. $800 now. I don't have that kind of money. Knuckles, can you give me $800 because you won $200,000 last time? I lost all my gambling money, plus my real money. Then I guess you have to go to jail.